this is where I got in trouble. I assumed that the trailer's high enough, and I was like, oh, it's high. I'm not talking lower. Deflate my airbags and everything. Let's move under it. Oh, well, I moved under it. The time I got done, the feet were that far off the ground. Like, legitimately, that probably that far off the ground. It scraped almost all my grease off. It doesn't matter, because when I go back out, I ask them to always re-grease my truck, so I don't have any kind of major problems. But when I set my trailers barely, like I said, drop that much, or they don't even move. And everything. Don't ask me how I got to do like that. I just kind of, I crank it. Now, a lot of people just crank it where they just hear a little bit of air come out or go in bags or out or whatever. Oh, I wait till I hear my airbags pretty damn good. And I actually do one or two cranks after that. And pull the pin. Then, well, it's not the pin. I pull the handle to release the jaw. And then I undo my airlines, my electrical line. Then I stick it down in first gear or second. And I slowly pull out. And I always pull out, but I will stop almost abruptly. So after it gets off the skid plate, if something does happen, and it does fall, my truck can catch it. But pretty much, honestly, in my opinion, and I know a lot of other truckers say different. In my opinion, if you move out and you wait and there's nothing on that holding it and it's staying up, you got a 99% chance it's going to stay up. Right there. Now, if the ground's soft and all that, it might be staying up, but eventually it'll sink down into the ground. That's when you get you kind of screwed, because it can sink all the way down or whatever. But no, today like I said on the last video, I want to try at least do one video a day, or every other day. More like a vlog kind of thing, something. And I'm letting it spur out. I'm bringing the mullet back, slowly. But going through South Dakota right now. I'm in, how the hell do you say that name? Canada. I got speech problem and I'm not trying to attempt that shit. I'm just in South Dakota. I stayed at Flying J last night.